Today I will tell you the things I like about Rise 2.0. There are so many things that I like in Rise 2.0. The Rise 2.0 files where I can access the handouts and video lecture. Also, I can go there whenever I want to see the handouts and watch the lecture every time. I also like the MAP or MAP monthly academic planner in Rise 2.0. There I can see the schedule every month. The maps the map remind me the deadlines in ALTs and tuition fee. It's really helped me a lot because I often forget the deadlines. The Rise 2.0 also provide for students to do their activity in their worksheet. The Rise 2.0 also provides an online copy of worksheets for distance learner. Even I'm not using that that's one of the things I like in Rise 2.0. There will be no way for students to don't have an access in handouts or lecture because in Rise 2.0 they have an OTG drive for students that can't have access in online copies. The Rise 2.0 makes easier for students to access what they need in studying.